Hey, Sierra Gray, this is Dream Factory News for your host, Dayton Allen.
And Canberry Sam.
This week we'll be talking about weather, Inclusion Week, and the new bathroom schedule.
What's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo?
What?
One's really heavy, and the other is a little lighter.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sierra Gray Junior High School's mission. Sierra Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now to the weather.
Today, the temperature is 64 degrees with a low of 44 degrees. This week, it will rain on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. It will also rain all this weekend. Tomorrow, it will be a high of 57 and a low of 45. Then it will start warming back up. Wednesday will be a high of 66 and a low of 50. Thursday will be a high of 75 and a low of 58. And Friday will be a high of 81 and a low of 63. Now to this week's expectation.
This week is Inclusion Week. This is a week to show awareness to different types of special needs and disabilities such as Down syndrome, autism, and invisible disabilities.
The dress-up days are shown on screen.
Alright, Naeem.
Alright, dude.
It's locked.
Y'all know y'all can't go to the bathroom until the second period, right?
I don't care.
Okay, and? Well, my bad. I'm just telling y'all.
You got a stick? Yeah, give me a stick.
What are y'all doing in here? That is, it's second period. Y'all shouldn't even be in the bathroom. That's why y'all can't go to the bathroom. Now look at the toilet paper on the floor. Y'all in here, baby. Get out the bathroom.
This week's clubs are FCCLA, Junior Key, Technology, Reading, Packer, Leadership, Anime, Manga, and Chess Club. We'll see you next week, Sierra Gray. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.